Holidays are here, and while the season brings a lot of joy, it can also bring its own kind of pressure between family gatherings, travel, and trying to keep up with the traditions. It's easy for that stress to kind of creep in there. So joining us today is Dr. Abigail Miller, Chief Medical Officer at United Healthcare of Minnesota, to talk about some new digital tools that can help support your mental health. And people really struggle this time of year, don't they?
Yeah, absolutely. So we know that 9 out of 10 adults, if surveyed, talk about increased stress during the holiday season. And it can be many reasons, right? Some of the things that you mentioned, travel stress, can be financial stress. It can be, this might be the first year that somebody is, missing a loved one.
Yes, I didn't even think about that. Is it disproportionate women to men? I know a lot of times this time of year, women feel like they have a bulk of the load.
Certainly, I think a lot of women feel like they have, all the things that they have to keep up, the traditions and all of that, like you were talking about. But I bet it's probably proportional. I bet it's pretty even women to men split. But ways that a lot of people are dealing with stress these days, for a lot of people, they sort of have their usual wellness routines, but exactly as you said before, during the holiday season, a lot of those routines sort of go out the window because we're busy doing all these other things. And so that's where technology really steps in. I'm seeing a lot of people start to change and use more wellness apps. So some of the digital tools that I see, there's a tool called Calm Health.
Okay.
That app actually includes some programs to help people with meditation, mindfulness, stress management. It helps with sleep management. One of the things too that I really like about it is it includes clinically validated screening tools so that users are aware, hey, if they screen, it might mean that maybe they need some additional resource from talking to a person.
Well, and that's good to know because a lot of times with apps you don't know what's real or what isn't, and what so that's good to know that there is some of this technology out there that is helpful. But what if you wanted a little more personalized treatment plan or care?
Yeah, absolutely. So for folks who are looking for more personalized support, I would talk about there's virtual behavioral coaching that a lot of health plans offer. So you can reach out to a virtual behavioral coach. That person will help you through a specific situation. So things like a specific stress or family dynamics. Additionally, there are a lot of people who can access telehealth resources. So they can reach to a mental health therapist or another mental health professional and have that visit, from wherever they are. And so that's really important, especially this time of year when a lot of people are traveling.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you can visit uhc.com if you'd like to explore behavioral health resources. We also have a link for you on our website, care11.com/noon.